Here's what's new in aXcelerate. aXcelerate has partnered with Learning Vault to allow digital badges to be issued through the aXcelerate system. In addition to providing digital badges, Learning Vault also offers QVault credentials, a verifiable AQF-compliant digital credential. These credentials can be issued at the point of awarding certificates within aXcelerate and are populated with aXcelerate enrollment data. These are then shared with the learner they have been issued to and stored in the Learning Vault digital backpack. Get started by reaching out to Learning Vault or check out our help guide for more information. ICS calendar file attachments are now able to be included on workshop booking confirmations. This file is compatible with most standard email clients and allows recipients to add the event to external calendars to provide more visibility to aXcelerate bookings. You can also set this to be enabled by default, which allows this to work with online enrollment booking confirmations. Learners are now able to provide their signature when submitting work-based learning logbook entries to help validate the information they are submitting. The signature of the learner will appear in the admin view of the logbook, as well as exported evidence. Check out our Help and Support Center to read our full release notes for this month.